Hello, trader. Welcome to the vfxAlert channel. Today, we're going to break down one of the most important indicators on the platform, signal power. What is it? How do you read it correctly? And how can it help you boost your profits? Let's dive in. When you open a signal on vfxAlert, you'll see several key parameters: signal direction, expiration time, heat maps, and signal power. Signal power is a generalized estimate of a signal's potential success. It's based on historical statistics of past signals in similar market conditions. Signal power is displayed as a scale from 1 to 5 bars. 2 bars mean a weak signal. It's better to skip it. 3 bars, a moderate signal. Use it only with confirmation. 5 bars, strong signal, high probability of success. How to use signal power in trading? Here's an example. We have a buy signal with 3 out of 5 bars of power. We also see that the 1-minute heat map shows a high success rate for this forecast. But on the 5-minute chart, the success rate is lower. So the trade should be open for 1 to 5 minutes, no more. The longer the time passes, the lower the forecast accuracy. We've already explained heat maps in more detail. Check that video on our channel. We've created perfect signals for your trading. But every trader must remember, signals should always be confirmed with your personal trading strategy. vfxAlert, perfect signals for your strategy.